Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely and low mileage BMW 3 Series. This is a 2010 on a 60 plate. It's a 320D M Sport, so 181 horsepower, fantastic 2-litre diesel engine, superb fuel efficiency and nice and low on your road tax. Now this one must be one of the nicest examples on the market today. It's in lovely order throughout, finished in mineral grey metallic. We've got the signature LED angel eye daytime running lights. We've got headlamp wash for those as well. Lower fog lamps, nice aggressive styling thanks to the M Sport. We're riding on these sporty looking 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, finished in a lovely light sparkle silver. Within there we've got bright blue brake calipers which just pop out of the wheel. We've got privacy glass to the rear, we've got gloss black window surrounds. Looking down the side of the car you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Coming through to the back then, the rear parking sensors you've got there, nice darker lower diffuser, LED rear tail lamps. Looking through to the boot, definitely not had any hard use there. So looking down, we've got split folding rear seats, we've got a nice sized boot here. Under there you'll find a bit of added storage. Looking at the actual plastics themselves, that's in fantastic order. Looking at the paintwork just below that, it's not been scratched and scuffed whilst putting stuff in the boot. And then just looking down the passenger side, it's the exact same story. All the panels are nice and straight, paintwork's in nice order. And then coming through to the interior, inside is a full ebony black leather sport seat. And those seats are in nice order. So looking at the actual bolsters, very minimal wear to that. Looking at the seat base, that's in superb order. No signs of any sort of rips or tears on the centres. Rear seats look like they've barely been sat in, they're in nice order. You've got a central armrest, isofix in the bottom and central storage as well. Jumping inside, I'll show you through to the passenger seat. So as you can tell, loads and loads of bills and receipts, paperwork, MOTs, everything which was supplied and paid for on the car is there today. We've got the book pack as well, so on there is all your service history, which is very good. So if you flick through our photographs you'll see all the services detailed on there. So we've got 2012, 14, 17, 18, we've got 19, 20, 21 and 22 there as well. So recently been serviced, drives absolutely superb as you'd expect. And then inside, just going through to some of the specification on the car. So we've got a part perforated leather multifunction steering wheel with the M Sport badging at the bottom. We've got all our media controls, so this is your volume and so on. You've got your voice command, we've got cruise control, onboard computer, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Now as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 55,214 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, clicking through to audio, we've got our FM, we've got CD and aux. Then when you go through to the main menu, you've got your telephone, onboard computer, configurator, BMW services and your aircon as well. So we've got a dual zone climate control with air conditioning. Passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got heated front seats, which is lovely for those colder mornings. Bit of central storage, 12-volt power outlet, 6-speed manual transmission. All the leather is in really nice order. So looking at the actual gear shifter, that's in nice condition. The lever there, that's in superb order as well. Steering wheel itself, there's no signs of any sort of nicks from rings and bracelets. Central armrest hasn't got any grooves or rubbed away leather. And then within there we've got another 12-volt power outlet and your aux. Inside, all the cup holders are in nice order. Obviously these are prone to breaking, but inside it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. Just a truly well cared for example. So if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. Sorry, it's 19 inch that we're riding on, not 18 inch. So yeah, if you want anything further, give us a call, 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work on appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down and we'll happily book you in. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.